Where's my baby at? Baby.
Is that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a short live, okay?
Okay.
No.
I think it's time. What's up, beautiful people? This is Jose Trujillo, the one and only, the mucho macho, the gangster you've been waiting for. I'm right here. Just gonna do a little painting, okay? Don't be like that, you guys. Hang out with me. Don't be like, oh man, I don't want to hang out with Jose because he's so cool and stuff. Look, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am cool, but I'm also super handsome. And so I got a couple of things going for me. It's not just the coolness. Okay, I'm just saying. It's not just the coolness that's going on. How's it going, Chris? What's happening, Sonny? It's not easy being this handsome and being an artist. Trust me. It's not easy. I know people say, oh, it's so easy to be that handsome. It's not. It's not. I've tried it before. Other people have tried it. Well, I don't have to try it because I was born. I was born as handsome. But just telling you, it's not an easy task. Let me put a painting there so that way you guys can see what I'm about. Boom. Give me a second. There it is. No. There it is. There you go. There you go. Dude, Chris, I got all your paintings still. I need to talk to you. I need to talk. I need to have a conversazione con Chris. Look at that. We're gonna do that. What's up? What's happening, Rudy? Dude, my homies are here. What's up, Rudy? Hello, what's up, my friend? Look at this little painting. I know some of you are like, dude, why is Jose so damn good at painting? You guys don't even know, man. I don't even know why I'm so good at painting. Just kind of is. I don't think anybody knows anything. People are always asking me, dude, why are you so good at painting? I don't know. I mean, it's like asking me, why am I so damn handsome? I don't know. Just I am. Okay, just deal with it. Look at that.
Not yet. I was gonna do that.
Okay.
I take this one.
Look at this. Man, if I don't show up, you guys let me die, man. You guys let me to die.
Why? What happened? Nobody's there?
No, they are, but like I need to like show up because otherwise people are like, dude, I don't wanna hang out around Jose anymore, man.
Maybe they just missed you and they're playing hard to get.
Maybe they are. Maybe they're like, oh, maybe they just miss me. Yeah, that's right. And they're just like, I'm gonna play hard to get because Jose hurt my feelings. He didn't show up for like, I don't know, like 2 days. Was it like 2 days?
No, it was more like 4.
People are like, I don't like you anymore, Jose. 'Cause you're like, you're being a butt, Jose. You guys know you love me. I love you guys, man. I feel like we have a mutual understanding of our loves. I don't even know where Diana's at anymore. Where's Diana? Diana's probably like, screw you, Jose. I don't want to talk to you ever again. You were missed, Lo. You're not allowed to take 3 days off. How dare you not do 5 lives in a day, Jose? Lo. I know. I know. That's how I felt. I feel like people are like, screw you, Jose. If you're going to take days off, I'm not even going to be your friend anymore. I'm like, come on, you guys. So I found out this really cool thing. I think it helps me. I want to say it does. On Instagram, the Reels. And so I experimented with the Reels for a little bit. And you can get some really good traction with Reels, guys. You really do. I mean, if your Reels are any good, mine are not that good. But doesn't mean I don't do them. You know how some people like really practice? Excuse me, I'm like hiccups. How some people practice their Reels, like they craft them, you know, their little videos and whatnot. I don't, but I do it anyways. You know, that kind of thing. Like I know that my reels are not that reels, but they are a little bit. Hey, look at those pears, man. Some pears right there. I thought the avocado cartel got him. Dude, I told you guys about that, huh? I told you guys about the avocado cartel, man.
Anything else I pull, so just focus on this. Anything else I pull.
That's what happens to me for watching too much Vice news. I recently watched Vice news about, what's her name? She is the daughter, she's an actress. She's the daughter of a famous composer, music composer. She's the daughter of Quincy Jones. What's her name? Hey babe, what's the name of the daughter of Quincy Jones?
Rashida Jones?
Rashida Jones? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw a mini documentary on Vice, a mini little thing on Vice News about her. She was talking about the something about sex in our culture. How it can, if we're not careful, we end up, you know, doing things that are not necessarily for our best interest as humans. She doesn't. Yeah, you guys gotta watch it. It's pretty good. I thought it was pretty good. Because she doesn't knock on it. Like, she doesn't come from that holier than thee. She comes more from a hey guys, you know, we should really start paying attention to some things. I thought it was pretty interesting. She's really woke though. She really is woke. The stuff she was saying, I was like, whoa. That's something. That's how my wife talks. Oh, baby. Every time my wife talks, I always feel like, you know, makes me feel like yeah, I didn't finish high school. I get that feeling. Really enjoy your reels. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that, Reddy. Dude, look at those pears. Mmm. Look at that little birdie. This is some fancy-ish, man. I'm not even joking with you guys. This is some pretty fancy-ish. I'm not even gonna tell people like where to find me anymore. No, I'm just joking. I will. I'm gonna tell you guys. Click on that link, man, if you want to find my work. That link in my profile, dude. Go click on that link, man. I'm gonna start doing more shameless plugs. It's a new year. Because there's a new year, there's gonna be new goals. So I'm gonna start pounding shameless plugs.
Do it.
I'll be like, come on, you guys. Help an artist out, man. I'm trying to buy a house. Look at that. The skull and bee's pretty cool, huh? Dude, the bee with the balloon. You know how many messages I got? It got copied. How many times it got copied? I got 8 messages from people telling me, "Hey, I saw so and so copy that painting." And then this morning I woke up to 2 messages of people telling me that they copied my skull and bee. I'm like, I don't want to hear the messages anymore. Tired. It's exhausting.
They did? They copied it?
Yeah. They made the little versions of it. You know? It's whack, dude. It's like those 2 dudes that keep copying my work too, man. So fucking whack, dude. It's like, think of your own shit, man. See how difficult it is to think about something. It's not easy. It's not easy to sit there and think about how to put together something. But at the same time, I'm like, whatever, dude. Look at that. It was a good one, huh? I did receive another Trujillo recently, so I'm technically a collector now. Oh, I love that. By the way, in no way do I want to stop people from feeling inspired by my work. There's lots of people that do versions of my work and they share them with me and they tell me, "Hey, look, Jose, I painted alongside with you." So people that are learning, they might be trying to sell it too. It doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me because the intention is clean. What bothers me is the people that hide. They copy my work and then they go and hide. But they can never really hide because people are always telling me. People see them and they're like, hey, so and so, and they even tell me their names. They give me their Facebook accounts. I'm like, dude, I don't care, dude. I'm not gonna spend my energy in this. What am I gonna do? Tell them don't do that? Because it doesn't come from a good place. It doesn't come from. You can always feel it, when someone's like, I get tons of messages of people are like, hey, Jose, I made a version. I hope you don't mind. Of course not. Of course not. What bothers me is when they hide, when they try to be sneaky, or they try to tell people, oh, look at my painting style. Look at what I thought. I thought about putting 3 pears together and a bird. Yeah, I thought about this. It's like, dude, those are fools I can't stand. Look at that. Those are the insolent fools. Those are the insolent fools I can't stand. They even tried to disassociate from me. I went to this guy's page just to, just to write something nice. And they erased my comment. Vivek did that to me too. I wrote something on his page just to be nice, and then he erased my comment. I was like, damn, that's how we're playing? Because he doesn't want people to know that who I am. It'll expose him. Kind of whack. Anyways, it's a new year. I got new goals. I got new ideas. I got new love. Kinds of good things. I gotta stay positive, man. That's what I need to do. I'm telling my wife, man, I gotta be positive this year. Be more positivo. I gotta stop with my nonsense. I gotta become more of a loving man. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Maybe I need to like meditate or something, but I'm gonna do it. Watch. Look at that. Look at those pears. Dude, where's Diana, man? Diana hasn't shown up. I feel like Diana now is playing hard to get. I'm gonna go bug her and her pages. Look at that. Where's Eric too, dude? I feel like Eric now is playing hard to get too. I'm gonna go bother him too. No, I might not go bother Eric. Maybe it's a good thing. Eric shows up every now and then. It's a good thing. Just joking, Eric. I love you. You know how much I love you, Eric. You don't even know. Look at that, man. It's a beautiful painting right there. It's a Trujillo original. Trujillo original. Look at that. Let me sign it. Let me sign it. It ain't over until it's signed. Boom. There it is. Let me show you guys the close-up of this. This is good. How about Eric, Chris? Those will look killer on 4x4s. Yeah. I think so. Yeah. There it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that little birdie. Oh my God, the little birdie's like looking away. He's like all dignified and stuff. Look at that. Then I'm going to make a reel, guys. I just wanted to show up and remind you guys that I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm right here. However, I am playing with reels a lot for some reason. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I found out that I've been getting about, I don't know, something like 40,000 views a day on reels. How's it going, Claudia? Good to see you, Claudia. Yeah, I've been getting something like 40,000 views a day. And I'm like, I think I can raise it up to 100,000 views. You know, use it like a billboard or something. Some shit like that. I don't know. I use it a lot, too. I've been putting like a bunch of reels. So anyways, I did some numbers. I did a couple of days I did reels, over 10 a day. I got a lot. I got a lot of views. So I was like, now there's an easier way of getting views. Just do a really good video, right? An easier way. Just do a really good video. But I don't know how to do a really good one. So I'm gonna do 10 good ones. Maybe one really good one will come out someday. I don't know. There it is. Look at that, my friends. The name is Jose Trujillo. I'm an artist, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. I'll be back. I'll do some more lives. Stay well and sophisticated. Peace out, people.